मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बागी उड़ान पे ही न जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए।
Hello everyone, this is Kumari Alisha, student of BScIT 3rd semester batch 2.
And I am Muskan Divedi, student of BScIT 3rd sem batch 2.
Today in this PPT, we will present our side story of the trip that we had went for from Patna to Banaras. It was basically an event organized by IIT BHU, that is Technics 2023. Our trip started on 16th March from Patna. We have reached Banaras on the same day, that is 16th March. We went to attend Technics 2023, in which there were many events as well as workshops. But in this PPT, today we will briefly discuss about the workshop that we have attended there. Our workshop started from the next day, that is 17th March. In this Technics 2023, we have got chance to attend 2 workshops. First of all, 1-day workshop that we have chosen as cloud computing, and the 2 days workshop that we have chosen as game development. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and services, you can access technology services such as computing, power, storage, and databases as on as needed basis from a cloud computing provider like Amazon Web Services. In simple way, we can say as cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. You typically pay only for cloud services you use, helping you lower your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as your business needs changes. Top benefits of cloud computing are: cloud computing is a big shift from the traditional way business think about IT resources. Here are 7 common reasons organizations are turning to cloud computing services. Cost, speed, global scale, productivity, performance, reliability, security. There are basically 3 types of cloud computing. First is infrastructure as a service, that is also known as IaaS. Second is platform as a service, which is also known as PaaS. And third is software as a service, that is known as SaaS. This is all about cloud computing, that is our 1-day workshop. Now let us discuss about the game development, that was 2 days workshop. In game development, today we will discuss about the 4 topics that we have learned there. First of all, introduction of game development, that is what is game development. Secondly, careers available in game development. Third, elements of game development. And fourth, of course, the description of game that we have learned from IIT BHU workshop. Introduction to game development. Game development is the process of creating video games. using technical knowledge and skills to turn game concepts and ideas into reality. While it sounds pretty straightforward, it's a broad field that involves coding, art design, project management, and more. In game development, basically we put our ideas and the concept into reality. We use code, we put our all the ideas and the concept in a code, and that will help us to create our game. Now, Muskan will further discuss about the game development.
Now, let's talk about the careers in game development. Game developers help transform games from a concept to a playable reality. They do this by coding visual elements, programming, features, and testing iterations until a game is ready for market. If you love games and enjoy working with computers, a career in games development can be immensely rewarding. Some careers available in game development are like game designer, system designer, level designer, game programmer, AI programmer, gameplay engineer, game artist, and character artist. Now, basic game elements. What makes a good game design? To make a good game, we need various elements. First of all, we should have the idea or concept that we want to develop. We should know the story characters that will win the game. The levels of the game, all the art and sketches we have to do. The genre, the gameplay, the world design, the monetization strategy, all this together will help us to make a good game. After knowing all the elements, we have to assemble them together in codes that will develop the game. Now let us discuss the games that we learn to develop a blaster and ghost buster. Let us see how we develop the blaster game. As you can see in this video, first of all, we have to do the coding. I have done the coding in Visual Studio Code. We have to assemble all the elements, the levels, and all the essential components of the game. After doing the coding, we have to run that code, and as you can see, our game has been developed and we are playing it. In the same way, we have developed the second game, that is Ghostbuster. First we have done the coding and then we have to run it. And as you can see that a game has been developed and we are playing it. Now that's all for this presentation. Thank you.